Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to remove Windows 11 login pin. So you just need to follow me. At first, click on your start menu, then click on settings. From settings menu, please click on accounts. And then from right side, please click on sign in options. After then, please click on pin Windows Hello options. And then please click on remove and click again remove. Please type your password for security purpose and you have done. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel for next videos.